Tired of distractions? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to silence the world, literally. Their industry-leading noise cancellation isn't just a feature, it's an experience, making these an absolute must-have for productivity or pure sonic escape. Worried about charging? These beauties boast an incredible 30-hour battery life, ensuring your tunes and calls last all day and beyond. And for seamless transitions, the multipoint connection lets you effortlessly switch between your laptop and phone. No repairing needed. Thinking of upgrading your audio setup? These are truly some of the best headphones you can buy right now. If you're ready to experience audio perfection, find the Amazon link in the description below to grab your pair. What truly sets the XM5S apart is this perfect blend of superior sound, unparalleled quiet, and intelligent connectivity, making them a standout in the electronics market. For anyone searching for the ultimate listening experience or the best electronics in 2025, the Sony WH-1000XM5 should be at the top of your list. Whether you're traveling, working, or just relaxing, the comfort and performance of these Sony headphones are simply unmatched. Don't miss out on these incredible noise-canceling headphones. They are absolutely worth every penny.